This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. For the products in this video, check out the links in the description below. In this video, we'll be talking about star tips, the common sizes we use, and how we use them. So first off, there's two sizes of tips, your smaller standard ones, and your larger decorator sizes. Wow, so big. For the smaller ones, the two sizes that we probably use the most are 16 and 21. And I'm going to show you how to pipe a star with the number 16 tip right now. I have it loaded in my bag. It's ready to go, right? So anytime you're going to pipe a star on a surface, you want to hover gently above the surface that you're piping on, right? So not quite touching, just right above. That'll allow your frosting to balloon out and form a nice full star. When it's reached its kind of maximum diameter, but it hasn't started to wrinkle or wriggle yet, you want to stop piping and then pull gently away, right? And I'll hold this up and show it to you. And that will give you a nice full star that will give you coverage. And you can see those nice distinct lines, but they're still really straight. If I continued to pipe, they would look wriggly and wrinkly, and you can use that for another effect. But if you're looking to cover a cake, right, and you have a big area, but you're not so great at, say, making the sides or the top really straight and level yet, doing a star tip coverage all over the whole thing is a great way to create patterns and designs while you're still working on your basic decorating skills. There's various sizes of star tips in the small standard size tips, and they have different sized openings and different numbers of tines on them, so you can use those to create nice effects and variations, right? So this one is the 21, and you can do that to make larger stars with more points. It's also used really commonly for borders. So things like your shell border or your reverse shell. And also for rosettes, which are all great ways to practice your piping and your consistency. And you can achieve a nice variety of effects with the same star tips. The other star tip we use a lot is the number 827. And this is one that'll give you really massive stars. And typically we use it to finish off our cupcakes. So you can do a big old rosette right on top. This covers star tips, our most popular sizes, and how we use them. If you liked this video and you'd like to check out more about cake decorating supplies or materials, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like to learn more about our yearly membership, you can go to our website at www.cakedecoratingSchool.com. For links for any of the products in this video, you can scroll down to the description below.